involved in a bad house case, the broker's liability may last longer than you think. Hi, I'm Julia Way, and I'm a real estate attorney here at the law office of Peter and Brewer. I litigate claims for homeowners, investors, and real estate and lending professionals. Recently, I wrote about the case of William Lyon and Associates versus Placer County Superior Court. This case involved a dual agent. Now, the liability exposure for a dual agent is always magnified by 2 already, but the reason this case is significant is because in this particular case, the appellate court found that the liability time frame was expanded from 2 years, which is counter to what was existing prior to this ruling. Here are the facts of the case. The sellers decided to paint the house before selling, which is pretty common. What was uncommon was that the house actually had tremendous water damage, which was not disclosed to the buyer, which is why we call these the bad house cases. In this case, the listing agent was present on the day the painting was occurring and taking photos. Unfortunately, the listing agent, who also acted as the dual agent representing the buyers, did not disclose the water damage that was visible prior to the painting, nor provide the photos. Since the paint color that the sellers chose was a dark brown, it did conceal the water stains and efflorescence that had been present on the property before. Accordingly, it was nearly a year before the buyers discovered the water damage. Only then did the broker turn over the photos. The buyers filed a lawsuit against the sellers and against the agent. The agent argued that the lawsuit was untimely because it had been nearly 3 years since close of escrow. The broker then brought a motion for summary judgment arguing that 2-year statute of limitations should apply. The trial court disagreed and it went up on appeal. The appellate court also agreed that 2 years was not the statute of limitations and that a longer statute could apply under the delayed discovery doctrine. To learn more about our firm, please visit www.brewerfirm.com, where you'll find additional information on our attorneys and their insightful articles.